demonstration of online election system. This is a general purpose election system which allows admin to add new election and to which candidates can be added. The candidates will have to be registered in order to participate in any election. The system also allows to view the results of any election. This application is developed using PHP as frontend and MySQL as backend. So now let's have a look into the system. Let's first go to the admin module. Here you just need to enter the username and password. So once the admin logs in into the system, these are the options available, that is new election, view result and end election. First one is new election. Here the admin can add any new election to the system. Okay, here you need to enter the election title. Say for example, here you need to select the number of candidates, that is the number of participants in this election. Okay, so for example I'm specifying 2 for this, and the date for the, and here I need to specify the end date of the election. So for example I'm specifying 24, say 25, and just click on next. So whatever the details you have filled, it will display this, and as soon as you click on next, it will ask for the candidate information. So here you just need to fill the candidate information, that is the participants in this particular election, and some info about them. And here you just need to select the image. Okay. Once you've done filling all this information, you have to just click on submit. So this particular, since I have specified 2 candidates, this form will be generated again, and again you need to specify the information. Okay. And just click on submit. So after you're done filling the information for 2 candidates, the page will be not shown again. Okay, so the next option is view election. Here you can see the election which I just added is being added over here, and if you want to view the candidate details of this particular election, you can just click on search. So you can see the information which I just added about the candidates will be displayed over here, that is the name, the image of that person, and some information about that person. Okay, so for example I want to see the candidate details of this particular election, so I can view it. Okay, next one is view result. If the admin wants to view the result of any particular election, so it just needs to select the election title and just click on view result. Since there are no voting for this particular election, so the result is not shown. So this is the information. As soon as you click on view result, this is the information of the candidate that will be displayed. That is the candidate ID, image, name of the candidate, some information, and the election in which that particular candidate has participated, and the end date of that election. And this is the vote count, that is the vote that has been come for this particular election. Okay, so next one is end election. Here if the admin wants to end particular election, so it just needs to click on the title and just click on end. So here the message is shown, that is date updated, that is the date of this particular election will be set to the current date. Okay, so this is about the admin module. Now let's go to the voters module. Okay, here the candidate needs to, the user needs to register in order to participate in the voting process. So this is the registration form that it needs to fill, and once you're done filling the information, just click on submit. So the information will be added to the database, and after you're done, just click on login now. Here you need to specify the username and password and just click on submit. So once the user logs in into the system, these are the options available, that is vote, view result. Okay, suppose the user wants to vote for any candidate, it just needs to select the title and just click on submit. So the candidates will be shown, and if you want to, and along with some information, that is name, image and some information related to that candidate, and vote for the candidate. And if you want to go for voting that particular candidate, so you just need to click on this button. So once you click on this, you cannot vote for any of the candidate for that belongs to the same election name. For say for example, again I want to vote for a candidate who has participated in this particular election, so just click on submit. And if I once again vote, so the system won't allow me, saying that you have already voted for this election. Okay, so this is all about the voting. And the next one is view result. So here you can view the result of those particular elections whose end date has passed or is equal to the current date. Okay, so just click on the election name and you can view the result of this particular election and the number of votes for which particular candidate you can view over here. Okay, so this is about the voter module. So this is how the online election system works. Thank you.